Malaika. Guys, if we win these 3 more games to go and we are out. No, not 3, 7 more games to go and we are out. Here we have a long way to go. The series has just started on the doubles. Guys, remember, the more we win, the less we play. The more we win, the less we play. Just think about it like that. Put your freaking hands down. Don't you think they don't have eyes and they see that it's times 2? Guys, by the way, if they drop a galaxy over there, we are finished. Hey, guys, even a money, guys, on the times 2, on the doubles. On the doubles, if we don't play on the doubles, if the doubles are not, Mama Limpopo is going to help you out maybe. Huh? Is Mama Limpopo going to give us a game? Is there some... Guys, play! Put your freaking hands down. It's not enough. Are you people going to play? What happened? Fortune every day is not Sunday. Eh? You thought you were coming to whoop me. You were celebrating because everybody look at me like I'm the weak one. Today I've surprised you. Play the freaking game. Goofy. Play. Oh, my ghosty. You see, I have to apologize to my ghosty and say, sir, apologize to you. Please forgive me for saying whatever I didn't understand. Eh? That's why they call them ghosties. They hide. They punish you. Eh? Hi, Queen Teresa. Hi, my baby. You changed your profile picture. I see. Looks nice. Mama Limpopo. Is Mama Limpopo going to play for you? Eh? Thando. Molly on the... God, Fortune. You calling us for this. And then you were talking about a ghosty. Eh? You have to be afraid of ghosts. Play the freaking game. Queen Teresa, I like the wig. I do, my queenie. It's a nice picture. Play the game. Fortune, where are your people at? I've been whooped before, then I whooped somebody. Now, yes, play the freaking game. Give us a game. Guys, if we win these 7 more games to go, the more we win, the less we play. We just have to make sure we win, we play less and we get out. Yes, because if we let this calendar be winning on us, we're going to stay here until tomorrow.
Guys, thank you. Thank you for... Guys, right now we are relying on taps, guys, okay? So we need to tap. Tap the screen together. We all need to tap, guys. Please, we all need to tap. We are just simply relying on taps. So we need to tap together. We don't have anybody to play for us. So let's tap, guys. Let's tap. Let's repost. Tap and repost, guys, okay? Tap and repost, guys. Their smoke is not big. Their smoke is not that big, guys. It's a first to 10. So remember, guys, first to 10 is dangerous because once they get to 5 and we won just 1 game, problems are going to start. It's not first to 15. It's first to 10. So let's not allow them to build a lot of 6. They have 3, we have 1. We need to move with them like this so that we have a chance of winning the series. Because the thing is, if we allow them to keep building without trying, once they get to 5, 6, now we start to panic. The way we did with Queen Mother. Guys, everybody tap the screen. Let's not allow them to build a lot of streaks, guys. First gift is going to be times 3. Anything you can play, okay? Anything. Anything you've got, guys, is going to be times 3. Anything, guys. Let's try, my team. Let's try. First gift. Only first gift, guys. Donut, hen heart, whatever you've got, guys. Let's give them a game, okay? Let's give them a game, guys. We are a lot of people, 270 people. We can do it. Times 3. First gift, guys. First gift. Anything, guys.
Guys, the first gift is triples, guys. Hey, God, oh.
Triples,
Lady
guys.
P, thank you. The first gift is triples, guys. Hi, you.
Let's go. Come on, guys. We can do it, guys. Anything you've got, even if it's donuts, we take those tricks, we move with them like this. Thank you, Sandy. Thank you, my Angie. Let's go. Okay, whatever you've got, guys, you play on
tap
speed.
on my forehead here, guys. The less
Also, your
we tap,
ghost is done.
the less views we get. But the more we tap, the more points we have, the more TikTok pushes our live out there. Okay, Ghosty was helping us
Your
out.
ghost is done.
I don't know if Ghosty is still here, but
Yeah,
Now
go Steve's
we are
done.
on our own. We gotta do it on our own. Huh? If we win this, we are on 5,
2
guys. We
roses,
are
guys.
almost halfway. We are almost halfway. 3 people with a rose.
3 roses, guys. Can I
3
put
people
3
with a
roses?
rose. Guys, where are our taps at? Hey, God, let me tap for myself. I have
3
my
roses,
hands.
guys.
Pretty K, thank you. 2 more people with a rose. Lady P, thank you. 1 more rose, 1 more
2
rose,
roses,
1 more
guys.
rose.
Miss K, thank you.
1 more rose.
Roses,
Guys, a rose.
guys.
Zoe, thank you. Okay.
Jane, thank you. User,
Okay,
thank you.
guys. Guys, let's try to play on this.
Times 2.
Guys, on the times 2, on the time.
Anything you've got, guys, just to push our... Even if it's donuts, hen hearts, whatever you've got, guys. Times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2, guys. Doubles, guys, anything you can play with, okay?
How should I say it?
Let's go, guys.
The
Let's
more
go
we
as a
win, the
team.
less we play, guys. The more we win, the less
Let's go
we
as a team,
play.
guys. Times
Hey,
2.
guys.
Let's go,
Our
Valencia. Thank you.
team.
Double points, guys. Double, 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 double. We can take as tricks, guys. We can't
Guys, on the
always wait
times
for
2,